In this video today, we will see how to set the page margins properly in Microsoft Word so that the text will fit properly inside the paper. Now if you see here at the moment, this text is at the top of the page and the text on the right is at the end of the page. So if you want to fit this one properly, what you can do is you can go to layout and there is an option here, margins. So click here and go to this option, custom margins, and here you have the option to set the margin. So on the top I can set it 1, bottom also, left also I can set it 1, right is 1, bottom is 1, right I can set it as 1, and then okay. So you can see now the text is better than before. And similarly, if you want to adjust the text in the paragraph so that all the lines will properly fit at the end, what you can do is you can select this paragraph, you can select the whole paragraph and go to home, and there is an option here, justify, and you can see all the lines in paragraph are aligned towards the end. So this looks better and you can print it now. Now setting the margin depends upon the size of the paper, so you have to check the size and you have to see how much margins you can leave on the top, left, right, bottom. It's up to you. Similarly, if you want to change the margin, you can also directly change by pointing your mouse pointer and then dragging it. Similarly, if you want to change the margin for this left, you have to point this mouse pointer here so that it will turn into double-sided arrow. You can then adjust the margin. For right also you can point it here and you can adjust it. For bottom you can go down and you can point the mouse pointer here. When it turns into double-sided arrow, you can change the margin. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.